In the world of law, prevention is often the best defense against potential liabilities. So today we're going to explore the vital legal aspects of first aid training and reducing workplace liabilities. Understanding the legal aspect of first aid training is not just a legal requirement, it's a strategic move to protect your business. Let's delve into the ways in which legal knowledge can be a crucial tool in your workplace. And here are the key points to consider. You need to meet your legal requirements for workplace safety. You need to minimize the risk of legal action due to negligence, ensure compliance with safety regulations and standards, and create a safer workplace environment, all while enhancing your company's legal defense in case of those emergencies. So reducing liability through first aid training is not just a legal formality, it's a strategy to safeguard your business and reputation. It's about knowing that you are legally and ethically prepared to handle emergencies. But reducing liability through first aid training is not just a compliance requirement, it's that commitment to a legally resilient and secure workplace. So because in your workplace, legality is the shield that protects your business.